Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach a new topic, properties of solids. Student, you know matter have the three state, solid, liquid and gas. Three state होते हैं ना, क्या होता है? Solid, liquid and gas. Actually not in the three state, in the five state of matter. Solid, liquid, gas. Two more. Tell. Fourth one is the plasma, and fifth one is the Bose-Einstein condensation. But student, in our class, in the class 7th, we study only the three type of matter: solids, liquids, and gas. So student, in the last video, we already studied about the solid have the fixed shape, fixed volume. Liquid have the fixed mass, fixed volume, but shape not fixed. Gases have no fixed shape, no fixed volume. So student, our first topic is what is the properties of solid. Student, you know the solid like marker, whiteboard, fan, chair, table, car, all the things are solid. Clear? So what is the first property of solid? Means how become identified this is the solid things. So student, see, first point is solid have definite shape and volume. Definite shape. Suppose it is a marker. Their shape are fixed. If you keep anywhere, any place, so if it become not disturbed by other substance, then I think many of years, millions of years, it becomes the same condition. So the fixed shape. And fixed volume, if you keep anywhere, it become occupy some space. कुछ जगह घेरेगा ना? This is the fixed volume. This is the first point of the property of solids. Second thing is, solids are generally rigid. Means their shape are fixed. Their shape become not change. Okay? Generally, suppose that the marker, if it become not disturbed by any third person, if it become not break by any third person, then it become in the same rigid condition. Clear? So this is the rigid condition. Is the only property of solid. Remember student, suppose a chair, table, car, their shape are rigid. Are their shape become change day by day? Yes? Change होता है क्या रोज? नहीं change होता ना? It means solid have their shape are rigid. Some solid change its shape on the application of external force. Student, some solid like rubber na or foam. Question is, rubber or foam is the solid? Question, yes, is the solid. Then question, if they become solid, then why their shape become change? You know student, why the rubber का shape change क्यों होता है? When we apply the external force. खींचते हैं ना? See, is the rubber when you become stretch, their shape, their length become increase. But when we leave the force, remove the force, again it become in the same condition, original condition. Clear? Means rubber, foam. Why the foam shape become change? So foam is the solid or liquid? Foam is the solid. The question, why their shape become change? Because foam contain million numbers of air pores. When we apply the pressure on the foam, then air become removed outside. बाहर निकल जाता है हवा. And when again we remove the force, again air fill in the foam and become in the same condition. So rubber and foam is the solid. Solids can have any number of free surface. Many number of free surface. It depends on the structure. It depends on the shape. Suppose the student, this is the marker. How many faces? 3. 1, 2 and 3. Clear? Similarly, book. See, is the one solid. How many faces? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is the cube. See. How many faces? Tell. How many faces? 6 faces. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Clear? Next one is the intermolecular force are very large. Remember, staying in the solid, the intermolecular force. What is the intermolecular force? You know, the force of attraction which tight bonded two molecules which are joined two or more molecules is known as the intermolecular force. So in the solid, staying in the solid, you know, all the molecules are joined together very tightly. That's why the intermolecular force are very large in solid. Clear? Because the space between two molecules are very less. That's why the force of attraction become very large. Is only in the solid condition. That's why their shape are fixed, their volume are fixed. The density of solid is generally high. Density. You know, student, what is the density? Gram per centimeter cube. It means, student, if you take 1 centimeter cubic box, anything, means their length, breadth and height is the 1 centimeter and you find their weight. This is the density. Suppose that what is the water density? Water density, you know, 1 gram per centimeter cube. 60. What is the 1 gram? Tell. What is the meaning of 1 gram? It means, student, if you take 1 centimeter hollow cubic box, एक तुमने बॉक्स लिया क्यूब का, उसका लेंथ, ब्रीथ, हाइट कितना है? 1 सेंटीमीटर है, एंड यू फिल द वाटर, यू फिल वाटर इन द क्यूब एंड यू फाइंड देयर वेट, फाइंड द वेट ऑफ वाटर. द वेट ऑफ वाटर इज द 1 gram per centimeter cube. But remember, student, is applicable only on the distilled water, not other type of water, because you know the other water contain the different amount of minerals. Clear? The dimension of solid do not increase in large proportion on heating or cooling. Student, you know, when you heat any solid material, iron, you heat the iron, their dimension become not increase like in solid, like in liquid and gas. Clear? So in cooling or heating, their dimension become changed, but become not more liquid and gases. Means their dimension become changed, but it's a very little amount. Clear? When two solids are kept in contact with one another, they do not mix with each other. Suppose this is the marker. This is a marker, is a solid thing. Whiteboard is also solid thing. If you keep like this, it become mixed to each other. दोनों मिल रहा है आपस में? नहीं मिल रहा है. How do you prove? It can prove that when two solid become contact with each other, it become not mixed together. Like in liquid, in gas. If you take two container, one is the milk, one is the water, and after that you become with the one container, this is the water. Put one other container, it contains the milk. Then it become mixed up together. Okay, student. So these are some properties of solids. So next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.